Ciao tutti, sono Sara. Hello everybody, I'm Sara and welcome back to Italiano in 3 minuti. Italian in 3 minutes. Today we will talk about making apologize. In the last lesson, we discussed the question, do you speak English? That how you can ask, do you speak English in Italian? And today we will learn how to say sorry in Italian. There are different ways to say sorry in Italian, the informal and formal way. Let's begin. This one is mi scusi, excuse me, scusa, excuse me. This is the informal way. When we are informal, we will say scusa. Mi dispiace, I'm sorry. This is the formal way to say sorry. Mi dispiace, I'm sorry. Mi, I am, dispiace, sorry. Mi dispiace molto. Mi dispiace molto. I'm very sorry. You can remember this. Molto means very or more in Italian. Molto, very. Scusami, I'm sorry. This is the formal way to say sorry in Italian. Scusami, I'm sorry. Next one is perdono, pardon. Perdono, pardon. It also means sorry or forgiveness. Perdono. Ti chiedo perdono. Ti chiedo perdono. I ask for your forgiveness. Perdono, forgiveness. Chiedo, ask for. Ti, your. Ti chiedo perdono. I ask for your forgiveness. And please, if you all like the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I'll post a video every day, so you can practice your Italian with me every day. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Our next phrase is perdonami, perdonami, forgive me. Forgive, me, perdonami, forgive me. Now, these are the main ways to say sorry in Italian. Mi dispiace, I'm sorry. Scusami, excuse me or I'm sorry. Perdonami, perdonami, forgive me. Mi scuso, I apologize. I hope you all liked the video. Now, if you want to repeat these phrases, you can pause the video and repeat them if you want. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Languages with Sara. Ciao e presto!